Hello everyone, my name is Sahil Wagmare and I am from Sangli district in Maharashtra. I have completed my bachelor's degree from in BSc Information Technology from the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I joined Division Technology Service Institute to strengthen my IT support skill and gain practical and industrial knowledge. The training session were very informative and focused on real-time scenarios, which helped me build a confidence and improve my technical as well as communication skills. Recently, I got placed at Ananta Technology Management Services, Mumbai, as a desktop support engineer with a package 2.8 LPA. I am extremely thankful to Evision Technology team for their continuous guidance and support and motivation through the course. I highly recommended Evision Technology to anyone who want to start and grow career with IT support.